Hey everybody, this is Mark with Mark's Home Hobbies. Yeah, just giving you a little kind of a review on what's included in the Sturmkin Drift setup here. Yeah, this is what you get in the box. And I'm not going to show you me ripping the paper off or anything like that, but this is all you get. You get the Drift car, of course, and then you get a tag that has the person that assembled the car. In this case, I think it says Carol. And you get 4 of these drink coaster bumpers there. Pretty expensive bumpers. But yeah, you get 4 of those. And then you get a heavy-duty USB charging cable. And this little Sturmkin special tool here for removing the body off of this. And you get a couple of extra screws there. That's kind of nice they give you those body screws. Very comprehensive manual here, written in a lot of different languages. And with this particular kit that I got here, this is the Gymkhana and Rallycross kit. So if you're going to buy one of these, you might as well just spend a little bit extra and get this kit here, because it gives you some other features that the normal regular racer kit does not give you. So for the extra little bit, you're getting more. So it's a little tag of countries that it's all listed in that participate. Kind of nice. Here's one that's never even been opened yet. Here's a sheet of really nice decals, and another nice little touch is, I don't know if you can see down here, but they even give you decals for your tires. What a nice touch. Congratulations, guys. You nailed that one. This here is a start and finish line. That allows you to do lap times. Yeah, I neglected to tell you about that last time. That's also controlled with the undercar optical sensor. Then they give you these different target strips here that you can lay out on your track. And as you can see, you have a 360-degree angle. You have a speed angle, angle drift, speed drift, 180. Yeah, those are all reusable. They're made out of some kind of vinyl, and they got some kind of never wear out sticky stuff on there. So anyways, hopefully they don't wear out. Probably a way to get hold of some of those, I think, from the shop. You could probably buy them. Maybe you could print them out. I don't know. I haven't explored that far yet. Yeah, so anyway, that's pretty much the kit. And then, of course, it uses your cell phone as the controller. So I was kind of forced to purchase a new cell phone too. I didn't really have to. My old one worked with it, but I was experiencing a lot of little problems with it. Glitches and restarting and stuff. It was an LG Stylio 2. So it was a very old phone. So I think this phone is going to work right here that I'm recording this on now is a newer phone. This is the OnePlus 8 5G phone. So in case you're wondering what kind of phone I got, yeah, so it works with my carrier. So this is what I ended up getting. Okay, so enough about that. Now you can see all the stuff laid out here. Now with these cars, it's pretty important that you have a really clean track, because you only have 2 really small drive wheels that are driving the actual car. So I don't know if you understand the principle of this car yet. I'm not going to get into the principle of it just yet. If you don't know how it works already, I'm sure you can go and read up and find out how it works. But it definitely doesn't work like your normal RC car does. So if you're thinking this is a normal RC car, this is not. This is very high tech. This is robotics. This is Android. This is sensors and gaming system all tied into one. So you got to keep that in mind. This is not an RC car right here. Something totally different. With that being said, it's probably not going to be for everybody, but I have a feeling that you could probably have some fun with it if you're into RCs. I mean, it is a very stunning little car, very nicely detailed, and it drives as good as it looks too. I've seen it. Anyway, so here's what I had to do in order to utilize this car better to its full extent. So I'm going to show you this. This is my Sturmkin Drift racing area right here. And you can see, since I don't want the expensive little car to fall and hit the ground, I've glued on some Yeah, some foam insulation on there, styrofoam, kind of really heavy-duty, thick stuff. Good stuff. So I glued some of that on there. I don't think the car is going to be able to get over that at any speed. I don't know. We'll see. If I need to, I'll glue another layer on top of it. But this is a 4x8 sheet of Home Depot Masonite. Yeah, and it's up on a old table frame down there that got it propped up there to level it out. It's really important that you have a level surface with these cars too, because the suspension is set that it's on a fulcrum point, and it's very weight sensitive, and much like a real car, if your suspension is off a little bit in the front or the rear, you're really not going to be able to drive the car well. So you have to make sure this car is tuned just right. So what I plan to do is arrange these beer coasters here in a little pattern. And they give you some specifications on the website there for Sturmkind. And they tell you how far to place them away from each other and that type of stuff. But what I think I'm going to do is start off with something like this. Get some of this stuff out of the way here. Yeah, I'm going to start up with something like this here. Yeah, let's get that over there. And we'll just put the start-finish line somewhere right there. Yeah, just like that. We'll lay out some of these other targets around there after we start getting better. I probably won't even use the start-finish line until I get better at driving it. I really haven't had any experience at driving it yet, so if I operated, I'd probably make a fool out of myself right now, because I don't know anything about it yet. I have never even tried it. But that should be plenty of room there to give us a little drifting ability there and to see what you can do. So, anyways, you'll have to wait till the next episode for that. Thanks for watching. This is Mark with Mark's Home Hobby saying please like, subscribe, and have a good day. Talk to you later.